G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here, welcome back to my channel. Back at the new car wash, it's day number 6 of renovation. Back on the roof, as you can tell. I'm tall, but I'm not this tall. And we're gonna run the new high pressure hoses today, so that's exciting. It's in the rain, but that's all right, who cares? Let's get it done, let me show you what we're doing. So here we have my new high pressure hose, 80 feet long. I think I measured it like 72 feet, but 80 foot was a standard one they already had. And it's always good to have slack, just in case. So this is base 6, the furthest from the motor room. So it's gonna run all the way through here, along the pipe and down inside the motor room, and it's gonna connect to the new cat pump, which isn't installed at the moment. We're gonna do that next week. So we're just gonna run the hoses for now. So that's all prepped and plumbed. Let's do this. So obviously I got swivels on the end of these. So that eliminates having to put one of these swivels, because if these weren't swiveled, then I'd probably have to put this to make it easier. Instead of trying to screw it on, the whole hose has to turn and gets tangled. So I just get these made up with swivels on the end, and it's as easy as that. Let's cut the tape off without cutting the hose. Day one, I cut the hose and we have a massive leak on the roof. That would suck. So that's just going to go straight in there. That's the boom. And it runs down. It's going to join to the boom hose that I showed in my other video, installing, and down into the hose into the bay where people spray their car. Not crazy tight, again, just comfortable. It's a smaller wrench, so it takes a little more muscle. So now let's straighten the whole thing out, send it through the pipe. And these are all the other hoses, 6 bays, 6 hoses, of course. Buddy! Hey, I got him some turkey today. He loves it. Yeah, you like it? So here it is, here's what it's going to look like in there. It goes in there, runs all the way along. Still got to put it all together, of course, but I'll do that once the hoses are through. All the hoses are through. Got a T, I decided to take it to this one instead. So let's go check it out on the inside. There it is, already in place. So it's probably the perfect length. I mean, it's slightly long. It's going to go here, base 6, so the pump's going to be there. It's going to be right about there, so we have probably like 4 feet extra, which is always good. Have a little slack. I'll put it neatly up top there, I think. Yeah. Next hose. So it's lunchtime. We at Denny's. Got some fruta. Got my half-eaten omelette. What do you got, mister?
I got a skillet.
Where's the sauce?
It's no sauce. Right now I'm cutting carbs.
Oh, he's being healthy, cutting carbs.
It's good.
Okay, well enjoy. Now ask me why I'm up here on the roof doing this in the rain. Well, I could have waited till tomorrow. This is the last day of rain. Next week's all shiny. I could have done that. I guess I don't want to. I guess I want to be out here in the rain. I could go home and lay on the couch and do nothing, but I'd rather be here at the car wash, fixing it up, rain, hail, or shine, because I enjoy it and I love it. So let me show you what I just did. I just put all the hoses in the pipes going down inside, and it's coming along very nicely. Look at that compared to the previous roof that you guys saw a couple of videos back. So here we are done with the high pressure hoses. Bay 1, Bay 2, Bay 3, Bay 4, Bay 5, Bay 6. All done. Signed, sealed, and delivered. Wire braided hose through the pipe. I'm going to join it up, of course, once I'm done. And should be nicely protected for many years to come. So now it's time to get rid of the old holders. Old soap brush holder, old gun holder. I almost think these mat holders, they're good. So I can just order a new sticker, leave them on and not have to worry about it. Yeah, we'll see. I don't want it to look ugly, but we will see. Again, car washes do good when you hear sirens in the area. What is he doing? All right, you glasses nuts. I got my glasses. You proud of me? And I got some gloves. It's not the ones that you would approve, but good enough for me. All right, let's grind this bad boy off. Just like that. Trash. Beautiful. It's time for these beautiful instructional signs to go. The original paint from the car wash before it got painted. Who wants this? Well, it's in the trash bin, go get it. There we have it. All bays are free and clear of all the previous car wash, end of an era. So let's check it out. Plain, clean. Again, I'm leaving them. I'm gonna see if I can use them with the new stickers. This wall completely bare, ready to add in 3 brushes. Well, not 3 brushes, but 3 hoses. 2 hoses, so we've got 5 hoses in the bays. 5 hoses and a dog. You're looking a little wet there, buddy. You're looking a little wet there. So he started to trust us now. We can pat him. Before he wouldn't let us pat him, but now I probably got a disease on my hands. How's it coming along, Mr. Technician?
It's good.
Wow, the precision with the measuring tape. Hey, little boy. Super solid. It's going to be welded to the pole. And I actually looked behind these. They're welded to metal bars that are welded to the pole. Well, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Too rainy. We cut it short. We got out of there. I'm Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. See you all next time.